For more AID tutorial, go to my playlist and hit the bell notification icon so you will be notified about every new video from this. Welcome to my AID tutorial 60.1 battery indicator with progress bar. In previous tutorial AID tutorial 60 we have created this app with the battery level showing in the text view, and in this tutorial I am going to add a progress bar below this text view. Let's do it. I'll repeat this all process of 60 and add the progress bar. Open your AID, click on for export, new vendor project, name the project, click on create. Just remove this gravity of the XML and we'll add orientation that will be vertical. Let's see, text view, will add the text size. Let's add this size. Let's add 100 dp. That will be large, 40 dp. Okay, add text ID, save it. We'll add the progress bar, add inside the linear layout. We'll select in the wizard, view, progress bar is here, click on it. Let's go to XML. It's okay. Let's add ID for the progress bar and we'll add the size, maximum size of the progress bar. It will be 100 since our battery percentage cannot be max than 100. So let's add 100. Okay, you can add size, height, all as per your need. Let's not add anything else. Let's go to main activity.java and again we'll start to add receiver, register receiver. Okay, register receiver and BP broadcast receiver, comma new intent filter, start bracket, type intent dot action underscore battery changed and close the small bracket and type BP and private broadcast receiver BP equals to new broadcast receiver broadcast receiver open small bracket and close it, and another curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket we'll make a long press and implement the abstract method, and again we'll add the text view and progress bar so that it will show the battery percentage in our main XML file. Type text view, let's name it TV equals to text view, find view ID, let's type the ID .id dot main. Let's copy the ID of the text view, copy and paste in the main XML. And again progress bar, let's name it PB equals to progress bar. Okay, find view ID .id dot, let's copy the ID of the progress bar, main progress bar, copy and paste in the main activity or Java, and close the bracket and semicolon. Now we'll set the text in the XML from the battery level, and we'll show the battery level in progress bar also. tv.setText bracket open, inverted comma start, we'll add a battery level that will be shown in the text view with the battery level percentage. Start plus, we'll need a battery percentage integer dot to string, level plus we need a percentage sign, so we'll add percentage, close the bracket, and we'll add the level of the percent battery to show in the text view. We'll need the label, let's add int level equals to p2 intent. Here is p2 in, we have named p2 by default you can change it dot get intent extra level okay equals to 0. Now we'll add the progress bar to show the same. So let's have pb dot set progress dot bracket open and close semicolon the battery level progress will be level level. Okay, let's save it and build the app. Let's install it. Let's open the app. You can see battery level and progress bar. Let's increase the size of the progress bar so that we can see it easily and add battery level. Let's go to progress bar and increase the width. Let's increase the size. Okay, let's again build the app and check. Let's add minimum height. $50 dp. Okay, you can see the battery level 92% in the text, and in progress bar you can see green line, and now it became 91% and this progress bar also declined. Thanks for watching.